Hi friends. So quickly I will show you how to change status bar color as light color. First you have to click the app name and you have to scroll for the status bar style, select and select light, okay, and go to your info.plist file. You have to add the new information property using this plus icon, and you have to search for uh, view controller dash basic status bar color appearance, and easily you can find that, okay, and type should be boolean and value should be no, okay, and in main story mode I'm going to change the background color as red. Now we can see the result through the emulator. Okay,